I'm Avi Kotze, the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Health Sciences. I was asked the question to give an update about the infrastructure for the medical school. We are in the fortunate position that the university has allocated funds from the infrastructure budget to build brand new buildings for the medical school. And this has already been approved by the Council in 2024. At this current stage, we are in the final design stages and the architects are just putting the final touches to the plans of the buildings, especially the one that will be built on the Potchefstroom campus. This building will be state-of-the-art and will be designed in such a way that it will enhance maximum learning for our students and to be a very friendly environment also, where they can feel at home. The construction of a building on the Potchefstroom campus will start in the middle of 2025 and the pre-tender has already been published. The tender will go out now for the building and the anticipated date for construction is around June, July this year, with the anticipated completion date at the end of next year, 2026 or very early in 2027 so that it can be ready for accreditation by the Health Professions Council. Apart from this building, there will be also two smaller buildings which will be constructed at the Tshepong site in Klerksdorp and the Klerksdorp Hospital in Klerksdorp, where our students will do their rotations in their 4th, 5th and 6th year. Our buildings will house state-of-the-art facilities, such as offices for all the staff members that needs to be appointed. It will house 3 lecture halls that will be designed according to the newer standards to enhance optimal learning for students. It will also house a dedicated anatomy lab, 3 multi-purpose practical laboratories for subjects such as microbiology, physiology, virology, genetics, and so forth, and also a dedicated skill center, a dedicated simulation facility, and a simulation primary health clinic. Apart from that, our building will also house a biobank to start the research process where we can do state-of-the-art research which will be beneficial for the medical school even before we start with the first intake of students.